Hello friends, welcome to our channel Study Island. I hope you all are doing good. Today we are going to see linear equation with two variables. So before going ahead, we will see what is linear equation. In any equation, if the degree of that equation or the power of the variable highest power is 1, then it will be called as a linear equation. Here is the example 2x is equal to 10. It's a one example, or we can say 3x plus 5y is equal to 20. Okay, so in here both the equation we can see that here also highest degree is 1, here also highest degree. Now we will see, here I have written one variable linear equation and two variable linear equation. As the name suggests, one variable means there will be only one variable, okay, in that equations, or we can write it as 2x minus 15 is equal to 0, and two variable there will be two variables, like we can say 2x plus 3y is equal to 9, or we can say 2x plus 3y minus 9 is equal to 0. Okay, but can we say that 3xy is equal to 19 is also a two variable linear equation? As the name suggests, there are two variables. Can we say that? No, we cannot. To clear that doubt, we have this general form. Okay, so when any equation is following particular general form, then only we can say either it's a one variable or two variable. For one variable we have this general form ax plus b is equal to 0. When I am talking about this, I can write it as a 2x plus 15 is equal to 0. Here a and b are coefficient, okay, and a cannot be equal to 0. If a will be 0 here, then we will multiply by variable, so we will not be able to get the value because it is already 0. So that's why here, if there is a general form ax plus b is equal to 0 and any equation is following the general form, then only it will be called as a one variable linear equation. Here ax, at the place of a we have a 2, at the place of b we have a 15. So it is following the general form, that's why it will be called as a one variable linear equation. Here, if I have to write one equation, I can say 3x plus 4y plus 20 is equal to 0. Okay. So here ax plus by plus c, if you will see all these coefficient, here also a, b and c are coefficient. Okay. They are also coefficient, and at the place of a there is 3, at the place of b there is 4, at the place of c there is 20. But here in this equation, I cannot say this equation is following this general form. Here both the variables are having sum or plus operation in between, but here there is a multiplication operation which is not following this general form. That's why we cannot say that this is also a two variable, this is also a two variable linear equation, because it is not following this general form. Okay, so I hope this is clear, guys. Here also, like here a cannot be 0, here both cannot be 0. A and b means the both coefficient both cannot be equals to 0. If they both will be 0, then the both values will be 0, then we will not be able to find out the value of x and y. So that's we will see solution. In one variable linear equation, there will be only one unique solution. Unique solution means there will be only one solution. If you will take an example, suppose I am taking this example, 2x plus 15 is equal to 0. Okay, so if I will solve, I can say 2x plus 15 minus 15 and 0 minus 15, both sides I am subtracting by minus 15, so both will be cut. So I will get 2x is equal to minus 15, x is equal to minus 15 upon 2, or I can say minus 7.5, x is equal to minus 7.5. Okay, so if I will put minus 7.5 here in this solution, then only I will get 0. So there is only one value that I have to put here to get the equation equal. Equation means RHS and LHS should be equal. Then only it will be equation. So here if I will put only 7.5, then only I will get the 0. So that's why there is only unique solution, means one solution for that particular equation. But here, as there are two variables, so there are indefinite solutions for any particular two variable linear equation. If you will change the value of x, accordingly y's value will also change. If you will change the value of y, accordingly x value will also change. That's why there is not any particular one solution, there will be indefinite solution for any two variable linear equation. Third one is plotting on graph. We cannot plot on graph one variable linear equation. As you know, if we have to plot, there should be two axes. There are two axes, but here we have only one variable, so we cannot put. So for this, we cannot put one variable linear equation, or we cannot show through it through graph. We cannot put or plot on graph. But for two variable linear equation, as there are two axes and there are two variables, we can easily plot it on the graph. So yes, we can plot on graph, and when you will plot for any two variable linear equation, you will always get a straight line. If you are getting a straight line, means your all the values are okay. So I hope this is clear, guys. Basic difference between one variable and two variable linear equation. Even though while I was studying, I was also get confused. When I know one variable linear equation, why I should know? So basic difference is when we have to plot it on the graph, then we should know how to plot it. So for that, two variable linear equation is required, because we cannot put this on the graph. That's why two variable linear equation come in a picture. I hope the concept is clear. If you have any doubt, kindly write through your comments. Kindly like, subscribe and share. Thank you so much for watching, guys.